Welcome to Saras Robotics and Activity Center, where imagination meets innovation. We are dedicated to nurture young minds through the power of play and learning. We use Avishkaar Robotics Pro Kit, the most cutting-edge robotics kit in India. With over 200 parts, and Avishkaar's most powerful programmable brain. With that, the possibilities are infinite. Maybe even more. Creativity, curiosity, innovation, problem solving, logical thinking are the skills that are relevant for 21st century. In response, we offer training in robot assembly, cabling, locomotion, robot programming, and sensor utilization. With that, no challenge is impossible. No idea is unfeasible. No problem is unsolvable. Innovation has no bounds. Parents, you'll be amazed at the skills and confidence your children gain at Saras Robotics and Activity Center. Every child will explore and discover the exciting world of robotics with us. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to ignite your child's future. Visit us today at www.sarasrobotics.com or call us at 9850503209.